Hi Paul, this is Josh at Encore Mustang Parts. I've got this set of window trim cleaned, sanded, painted. This just was pulled off a 93 Mustang this morning. Hasn't touched the ground yet. I took it straight from the car, this set of 3 pieces, and put it on my workbench, scuffed them up, washed them down, dried them off, put 3 coats of trim paint on there, UV protected trim paint on there, so these should be ready to install. It's an excellent set. I didn't see, I mean it's used, but I didn't see any dents or creases or low spots or anything. The bottom piece is the one that's, in my opinion, the hardest one to find. Straight and clean, lots of leaves and just debris gets stuck in there. This thing is awesome, really in nice shape. And then the side pieces, same thing. It's all from the same car. And these were never stored in my building or on a shelf or on a rack or anything. Like I said, I pulled everything this morning off a 93 GT, the most recent car we got in. So I'm going to get this boxed up and shipped out. So I'll let you guys know that the hatch trim is coming first, and the more delicate pieces for the door and the quarter window will be coming separately. But thank you for being so patient while I got you some good parts together and let the paint dry, and you'll have tracking number soon. Thanks.